Okay, so yes, we're discussing Boyle's law. In that, we just discussed that the volume should directly be not directly but inversely proportional to the pressure. This was the complete Boyle's law, but this really does not mean that you will only tell this if you write in the paper or an exam. So the volume of the given mass that you have should always be inversely proportional toward the temperature or a constant in the number of moles. So the condition you need to keep constant. Um, so as we discussed the condition, gas should be ideal, temperature, number of moles of gas should always be constant. So here we're just going to see the relationship that he discussed. Relationship which he gave. The scientist was Boyle's, that's why this is Boyle's law. So relationship is pressure and volume of gas. He just told about what? A relationship. He told about gas, not gas, but the pressure and volume. Pressure and volume. Okay. Then this was the only relationship he just gave. Then if we just write it mathematically, if we just write it mathematically, term would be V, which is not directly but inversely proportional to pressure. This would be its mathematical form. So this should always be directly proportional, and we just discussed that here temperature and number of moles should be constant. Number of moles of gas should be constant. And so that's very clear. So sorry. So this is directly, and we know when we remove directly, we just add k constant. K, which is constant upon p. What you'll get now you will get, here it's dividing, it will be multiplied, so now you will get oh god, k, that is equal to v upon p, not v upon but v multiplied by p. So this will be the condition. This is k, first one it's k, just not looking at k is equal to vp. Okay, then let me just tell you one more thing, that if I just say that k or k constant, we know if we just take any if we know we have arithmetically, we have division, multiplication, addition. When we just multiply any form, we can say that there is a product. When we just multiply, we just call this as a product. So by just looking into this k constant on the multiplied form, we derived another definition, that is the product of pressure. The product of pressure. The product of pressure. As you know, the product of pressure is written, and the volume. And volume should equal to constant. Equal to constant for what? At that position where there is no change in temperature and number of moles of the gas or the particles. Constant. Okay, I'm sure you've gotten. Till this should be very clear to you. And now here you will see one more thing. If this the k is equal to pv, but what if I take this same equation again? So you will get confused what exactly is the difference. That's why we just denoted by p2, v2, here p1 and v1. So p1 is the initial pressure, this is the final initial volume, this is the final pressure, this is the final volume. What does I say? So if I just make an equation, that equation if I just combine, this will be equal p1 v1, that should be equal to p2 v2. Initial, final, these all are the basic